You'll recall yesterday the Supreme Court struck down a law, the Voting Rights Act, that was passed 98-0 in the Senate, not one single dissenting vote in the Senate, and only 33 dissenting votes in the House of Representatives out of their 435 members. Only 33 people objected to it. Within a week, George W. Bush signed it into law. And I was saying yesterday, hey, the Supreme Court does not have the authority to do this. They've overstepped incredibly. This is not in the Constitution. Well, let me read you a dissent by one of the Supreme Court justices. He's basically saying, the Supreme Court made a mistake. He said, the error springs from the same diseased root, an exalted notion of the role of this court in American democratic society. The majority invokes what it calls this court's primary role in determining the Constitution's meaning. The Constitution assigns us no such primary role. Seriously, I'm reading from a dissenting bench statement that was given this week. Indeed, it does not assign us the role of determining the Constitution's meaning at all. And the words "at all," by the way, are in italics. Our assigned role, as Article 3 says, is to resolve disputes, cases, and controversies between two parties. The power of the court has increased enormously and becomes primary among the three branches. This is not, a good thing. When our ability to expound upon the Constitution is uncoupled from our duty to resolve live controversies. This is truly a revolution in our jurisprudence, and one, as I have said, that aggrandizes the court. Bear in mind that the object of this terrible condemnation is not some benighted state legislature and governor, but our respected coordinate branches, the Congress and Presidency of the United States. Laying such a charge against them, in other words, they passed this law overwhelmingly, laying such a charge against them should require the most extraordinary evidence. It is one thing for a society to elect change, it is another for a court of law to impose change. The result will be a judicial distortion of our society. Few public controversies will ever demonstrate so vividly the beauty of what our framers gave us, the gift of a court, the gift the court pawns today to buy its stolen moment in the spotlight, a system of government that permits us to rule ourselves. Amazing. Except that it was Scalia today complaining about the court in the...
You're listening to the Thom Hartmann Program. Call 866-987-THOM.
This is Scalia today complaining about the Supreme Court knocking down DOMA.